Love and peace with harmonic vibes for the upcoming year to every incarnate being in this physical reality. For this year and beyond. Note the zone close-up of the enhanced photo emphasizes the visual theme of this year with data collected for the Sky Research Project. This highlights the fact that some things in the sky may be natural while others may not. The original photograph for this enhancement was taken and submitted on X by my friend JJ. The colors that emerge during the enhancement process are phenomenal and aid in connecting those big picture reality, dots, and puzzle pieces. Love and peace seems a good theme for any time, but maybe even more so now, while we continue exploring concepts of interconnectedness with dynamic visuals representing energy and movement. So here's to us all moving positively forward into the next phase of time. Thank you for watching and listening. And cheers to all things good for this next phase.